You can join me and we're going to start with your warm-up. You can start walking in one place to get everything loose. Start slowing down. We're going to be focusing on your ankles. So we're going to do ankle rotations. First you're going to go outwards. This will also stretch your calf as well as the front where your shin is. And rotate inwards. Switch legs and rotate out first.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see?
And inwards. And relax. Next, get your own jumping jacks. Just get your heart rate going and activating your muscles. Get the blood flowing. And relax. You can come down onto the floor. We're going to be activating your glutes, so we're going to do glute bridges. You're going to do 10. You want to focus on engaging your glutes, then you're going to drive through your glutes up. If you keep your weight more on your heels, then you're going to work more on your hamstrings as well as your glutes. If it's more on your toes, then you'll feel it more on your quads. Make sure that your body is in line. And then you lift up, engage your core. Squeeze at the top. Lower down. Hover and come back up. You can start, we're going to be doing 10. And relax. Next, you're going to be focusing on the outer part of your glute area. So you're going to bring your feet together. Go into a glute bridge. So lift up, engage your glutes. And then you're going to keep your feet together while opening up your knees. To the sides, feel the pinch here, and bring it back. Open and close. We're going to do 10. You can start. and relax. Next, you're going to be focusing on your hamstrings. So we're going to be doing a deadlift without your weight, just to activate the hammies. Bring your feet together. When you're busy doing a deadlift, remember to always push back with your butt first. So you're going to have a slight bend in your knees. Push your butt backwards, straighten out your back. Lower down. We'll start to feel the burn here. Lower down, keep back straight, and come back up. You're also going to feel this in your glutes, but focus on your hamstrings. You can start, we're going to do 10. Remember to also, when we do the deadlift, you want to engage your core. So you want to pull your belly button in towards your spine and up. You want to relax your core, so you want to hold it in. Tilt your pelvis a little bit inwards, engaging your core as well as your glutes. And then you're going to lower down. Everything tight and controlled. We're going to start with your exercises. First exercise, we're going to do squats. You can grab a hold of both of your dumbbells.
Dynamite drop.
While we're busy resting, you can stand still or you can walk in one place. Give you a second set.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down.
Give me your third set. The next exercise, we're going to go down onto the floor and we're going to do hamstring curls. So grab one of your weights, place it at the end of your mat, going to line your stomach. Place your feet by your weight. So if you have to move it back a bit. This is a little bit of a learning curve, so make sure you grab hold of your weights nicely.
I can see the light, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see.
You can do your second set.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always
And do your third set.
You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two pass the line. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see brightly. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far, and your stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find validity.
And slowly come up.
You'll always be my night sky.
The next exercise, you don't have to have any weights, or you can use weights. I want you to focus on doing the movement first before you add any weights to it. But if you're comfortable with the movement, you can do your second and third set with the weight.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like some.
And relax. You're going to immediately move towards your left leg.
And I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
And relax. If you do want to use weights for your second set, you can either hold it at the front, only one, and lunge forward, or you can have both at your sides and lunge forward. You can do your second set.
And I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
And relax. Your left leg.
My love, I'm gone. I need to be strong. The darkness had tried to swallow me. Some days I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity. Gravity. Gravity.
can do your third set with or without the weights again. And also switch it up. So we're going to start to third set. Relax, to your left leg. Your next exercise is going to be calf raises. You're going to bring your feet together. You can also do this on a platform, so if you have the up and down. And relax. Walk in one place, you can shake it out. Remember your second set, we're going to lift, hold for 3 seconds and then lower. Also 15. Into your second set. If you do feel a little bit off balance, rather readjust and do the full range again. Don't just stop and count that as a rep. You want the full 15, but full reps. You shake it out again, walk in one place. So for your last set, you're going to be going quick up and down. Into your third set. Your next exercise, we're going to be focusing on your hamstrings as well as your glutes. We're going to be doing sumo squats. You can use a weight or you don't have to.
Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
You want to also make sure that your knees don't go over your toes. That can cause knee injury, so make sure that they are 90 degrees.
The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't
Do your second set.
I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drumming round in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Do your third set. The next exercise we're going to be doing, you're going to be focusing on your quads. Make sure that you have enough space in front of you. You're going to sit on your knees. and up, shake it out. This is a very hectic exercise. I already feel my quads burning. You can do your left leg.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you.
You can take a little bit of a longer break between each of these exercises, but try and do them for about or resting for about 30 to 60 seconds.
Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change,
And do your second set for your right leg.
place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all
And your left leg second set.
I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Going to do your third set.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need.
Remember, slow and controlled.
I just need to clear my head. I just
And just sit back into this position with your weight on your left leg before you step up again.
I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
And relax. That really goes. Hope you guys are feeling it too. Remember, the slower you do the movement, the more you have to focus on using the muscle, and it extends the contraction phase of the exercise.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music
Your left leg, last set.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
Right, we're on to your last exercise, which is going to be deadlift. So you're going to focus on your hamstrings as well as your glutes.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling.
So you can grab a hold of both your dumbbells or only use one for this exercise or none. I'm going to grab both.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around.
While you're busy doing this exercise, remember to also engage your back, especially when you have weights.
Yeah, I know
You want to punch forward, want to keep your shoulder blades
it's in the air.
pushed backwards and in towards each other, and then you want to lower down. Straight shoulders, and roll your shoulders. Also your head, you want your eye level to slowly go down with your body. You want to bend your neck or arch your neck. So straight from your head all the way to your lower back. And push back up. If it helps, do this movement in a mirror so that you can see first. And then you can bend your head to the side. Don't do it continuously, just once, just to see your form so that you can feel how it's supposed to feel. Give you a second set.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
We're almost done. You're just going to do your last set and then a quick cool down. Tomorrow we're going to be doing your day 3, which is going to be abs as well as glutes. So you'll be focusing more on glutes exercises instead of the compound movements of when we did with your leg, with your hammies and your glutes combined. So we're going to be focusing more on your glutes, also going to be more glute activation exercises. Do your third set. And relax. Well done for completing your day 2. We're going to do a quick cool down. You can grab a sip of water and then you can join me on the floor.
Where did I go wrong?
And sit with your one leg stretched out and you're going to lower all the way as far as you can towards your knee with your head. You want to keep your back straight. Don't arch it too much, and you also want to push your knee into the floor. You don't want it to bend. You'll feel this stretch in your sides, and you'll also feel it in your hamstring.
No sign of you at all. Just pictures on these walls, reminding me of how you threw away all that we've gone through. Was it all just a game to you? 'Cause I'm dying to know.
pretend? Tell me why do you wanna end?
Switch to your other side.
Cause it's playing in my head every word that you said. I ain't worked it out yet. So why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? If there was any sign that our love was in decline, I would have begged you not to go. I would have given even more. My heart is breaking up inside. Can't believe our love has died. Yes, it's out of my
And relax and lie your back.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real?
You're going to bring your left leg over your right.
Why do you wanna
And you're going to straighten out your knee parallel to your foot. So you want to feel the stretch in your glutes as well as your hip flexor. You want to open up that area, keeping both glutes on the floor.
just pretend? Why do you wanna? Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile. Cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay.
Switch to your other side.
Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
You can grab a hold of that leg and you can try and bring it in close towards your body. You'll feel this stretch in your hamstrings as well as in your glutes.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh.
And relax. Switch to your other leg and do the same.
Question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
And relax. You can sit on your knees. You're going to bring your right leg forward. Go into a lunge position, but a deeper one. You want to feel it in your hip flexors. It's just going to be on your left leg that you're going to feel it stretch in your hip flexor. Some people feel it when they sit deeper into the position. Some people feel it when they're more raised. You can also bring your leg a bit closer or move it further away, or even lean into the position.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of
Next, you can bring your leg in towards you. Straighten out that back leg. You can either do a half pigeon on a few this in your glute area, or you can do a full pigeon where you completely lie on your flat.
where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to
And
be
switch to your other leg, so you can bring your left leg forward.
just to find someone.
Then you're going to stretch out your hip flexor first.
I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started.
And bring your left leg in towards you. Straightening out your hip flexor up. Straightening out your glutes again.
To where we started out. Oh,
And relax. Sit on your knees, hooking your toes, and slowly come up towards the top with your head last. That is it for your workout. Well done on completing your day 2, and I hope I can see you guys for day 3 tomorrow.